Hi, I'm Handel. I'm a videographer and I switched from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets. For more reviews like this, click below. So both these programs are spreadsheets essentially that help you quantify and actually can perform basic math and algorithms on the data you have. So Google Sheets is really best for cloud-based collaborative spreadsheet work. It really allows multiple users at once to input data, which is really helpful when you're working on a group project. And it has some algorithms that can be used to add, subtract, divide, multiply, do basic math functions on the data that you have. So Microsoft Excel has been the industry standard for accounting and a variety of different fields. The drawback is it is not cloud-based and it's not very collaborative. You honestly have to download and send a Excel file to someone and they can't edit it live. Excel and Sheets are both spreadsheet-based softwares and they're fairly easy to input data and use. However, if you want to get more advanced into the programming side of the algorithms, that's where you have to have a little knowledge, maybe a quick YouTube tutorial here and there. And it's really probably a medium on the scale of how hard it is to learn. So really the top considerations with these types of software is ease of use, portability, scalability, and cost. So Google Sheets really has Excel beat when it comes to cost because it's free. It's very portable in the fact that many people can use it at once and it can be downloaded from a cloud-based source. It's scalable. It can use many sheets within the same spreadsheet and it's very powerful. And so I would rate Google Sheets a 9 out of 10 when compared with Excel, which is probably about a 6 out of 10.